What is a claim of setoff in bankruptcy? Have you ever wondered how debts can be balanced out during bankruptcy? A claim of setoff is a key concept that helps creditors manage their financial risks. It allows a creditor to reduce what they owe to a debtor by the amount the debtor owes them. This means that instead of paying the full amount to the debtor, the creditor can offset the debts against each other. The Bankruptcy Code, particularly Section 553, outlines the rules for this process. To qualify for a claim of setoff, certain conditions must be met. First, there must be mutual debts. This means both parties owe each other money. Importantly, these debts do not need to come from the same transaction, but they must exist before the bankruptcy case starts. Next, the debts in question must be pre-petition. This means they were incurred before the bankruptcy filing. Any debts that arise after the bankruptcy case begins cannot be set off. Additionally, the creditor must have a valid claim against the debtor. This claim can be either liquidated or unliquidated, fixed or contingent. The Bankruptcy Code defines claims broadly, allowing 4 various types of payment rights to be included. However, there are legal limitations to consider. The right to set off is subject to bankruptcy law restrictions. For instance, there are automatic stay provisions that temporarily prevent creditors from exercising set-off without court approval. Creditors may also need to file a proof of claim to assert their right to set-off. This proof can be treated as a secured claim, but only to the extent of the offset amount. The purpose of set-off is to prevent an unfair situation where a creditor pays the debtor in full, only to wait in line with other creditors to recover what they are owed. Instead, set-off allows the debts to be netted against each other, resulting in a single net amount owed. It is also important to distinguish set-off from recoupment. While set-off deals with unrelated mutual debts, recoupment reduces a debt based on related claims from the same transaction. In practical terms, a claim of set-off can be beneficial for creditors. It helps protect their financial interests during bankruptcy by limiting their exposure and improving their recovery position. However, creditors must navigate bankruptcy rules and court procedures carefully to assert and maintain their set-off rights effectively. Understanding these elements can make a significant difference in how debts are managed during bankruptcy.